Industries, Mr. R.C. Mansukhani on the show. Mr. Mansukhani, good morning. Thank you for joining us this early. Can you tell us more about this order? What is the source of this order, and how much margins do these orders normally give you?
Yeah, good morning, Lata. This new order around 700 crore we have received from international market, as well as some domestic portion also. And this EBITDA, because this is the oil and gas sector, high value additions are there, and this order is along with the coating facility also. So then the EBITDA will be much more higher than our earlier EBITDA.
Normally your EBITDAs are at 12%. I mean, that is the last year's average.
Yes.
So
Madam.
this one will be more than 12%?
Yeah, this orders particularly I can say will be between 12 to 14.
Okay. How much is domestic? How much is international?
Roughly 60% is international market and 40% from domestic market.
Okay. That answers most of our questions, Mr. Mansukhani. But can you tell us what is the total order book now? Where does it stand at? And what is the kind of visibility that you have for the next, say, couple of years?
Yeah. But our unexecuted order is 600 crore and this 700 crore new order. Its total order book is approximately 1,300 crore, which we have to complete in 6 to 9 months. Most of the orders, 70% orders from oil and gas sector and 30% from water segment, which is mostly local order.
Okay.
And out of 1,300 crore would be 1,000 crore approximately would be from export, okay. International market.
So by the end of the year, can you give us an indication of how much your revenues could be? In FY15 you were sitting on a base of around 1,400 crores revenues. How much do you think it could be by FY16 end?
We are expecting the growth around 25% for the current year, 25 to 30% in top line. The bottom line will be much more better because we have some better value-added products business this year. And our bid outstanding in the international market is $1.5 billion US. And some of the different stages of the evaluation. And
but Mr. Mansukhani, I'm a little surprised. Oil and gas is the most bashed up sector in the world. People don't have money to pay their debt. You are getting fresh orders from the international market. Who is giving these orders? Which company?
No, this is oil and gas established companies. Because the oil price has gone down, the exploration program is going slow. But our pipes are being used in the transmission of the gas and oil. In gas transmission, there is no substitute of pipelines. They have to put the pipelines. And the oil companies, because of the cost-cutting measures are going on with them, that's why they have to use the transmission of the oil and gas through pipelines only. You are right, because of their revenue is reducing, the exploration program going down. Our pipe is not being used in exploration.
Are they paying you all? I mean, is there any overdues from these companies?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay, can you just tell us geography-wise, where are the largest orders coming from? Is it from the Middle East, or are you getting a lot of your orders now from the US, etc.?
No, most of these orders, what we are talking right now, is from Middle East, and most of the companies are the government companies. The money is totally safe.
Okay. Any money coming, any orders coming in from India, which are the sources?
India, recently one gas authority of India tender is come out, and which is going to finalize by next month. So now India also slowly started oil and gas. For India, waterworks orders are continuous coming.
Okay. From which governments?
From state governments, various state governments, waterworks is coming up.
Okay, and what are the margins on those orders? Waterworks orders?
Depend on project to project and value-added products. Suppose some coating and other things are there, so higher margins. Otherwise, it's normal margins like this.
All right, Mr. Mansukhani, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us. So that's some positive news flow coming in for Man Industries. The stock could be higher in trade today. But let's talk about